Hi, this is Chris Guld with geeksontour.com and learngoogle.photos.com. And in this tutorial, I want to show you how to delete all the photos out of an account in case you want to start over or in case you want to leave the service altogether. So I'm on a web browser and I go to google.com Photos, go to Google Photos, and sign in. Now, I'm going to sign in with a test account that I use for Alice Apple. Need to know the password. And there's a two-step. And we're in. We're seeing all of Alice's photos from this year, September 3, and it goes way back. She has quite a few. Goes back to 1999. And notice that there are also 3 albums. So we want to delete all of these. There is no command that I know of to just delete all, but there is the normal click on the first picture, shift click on an ending picture, and notice that I have selected all the pictures in between, and up at the top it says 8 selected. Now it would be nice if I could scroll all the way to the bottom, down to 1999, and shift click, but it doesn't. You have to do it in kind of chunks. At least that's been my experience. So I can scroll down a ways. Sometimes you have to actually start over, and to do that you have to click the X on the ones that are selected. Now I can select the first one, hold down the Shift key, and notice how everything gets kind of highlighted or darkened, and click, and now I have selected all of those. Scroll down a ways, Shift, and see how they get shaded in, click. Scroll down a ways, Shift click. I now have 89 pictures selected, so you just keep doing that. And if you notice things starting to kind of speed up, you can do hundreds at a time. Shift click. I now have 149. I'm going to scroll even further this time. Shift click. I now have 251. I want to get to 1,000 before I do my first deletion. $1,010, that's good enough. Let's click the trash can now. Now make sure that you want to do this. Make sure that you have these pictures somewhere else. Click the trash can. Remove from your Google account, sync devices and places shared. Yes, move to trash. This account is not synced with any phone, so it will not be removing them from a phone. But if yours is, Turn off backup and sync on your phone first. Alright, now I'll do another chunk. Select the first one selected, scroll down, hold down the Shift key, and click the last one. Scroll down, Shift, click. Just kind of keep an eye on the number up in the upper left. I think 1,000 is a good number to stop at. Shift click. And shift click. And shift click. So 1028, and I'm going to trash those. Move to trash. And I think that's it. All right. All right, now what about these albums over here? The albums still exist, but there's nothing in them anymore. So I do need to delete the albums as well. You open the album, you click the three-dot menu, and delete album. So now this account is completely empty. It's saying ready to add some photos. However, they're still in the trash. So if you really want to do it clean, you go to your trash and you empty trash. And that cannot be undone. So this is now a completely blank slate account. If you really want to leave Google Photos, this is without deleting your account. I mean, you can delete your Google Photos account. That's the easiest way to do it. But that deletes your Gmail and your Google Drive and your blogs and anything else that you have in Google. So if you just want to empty the account of photos, that's the way to do it.